What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lee Vlogs. Today's vlog is going to be something very simple. It is wheel day, so I'm going to reveal the new wheels on the GTR. Hopefully you guys like the color I went with. I kind of decided to go with something a little different that I've never seen on a GTR, so hopefully you guys enjoy my creativity, but if not, let me know. I could always switch it up. I like the color, it's starting to grow on me. So with no further ado, welcome to the vlog. Alright, so we're in the garage right now, and the GTR is actually parked outside because later today I am taking it to the Nissan dealership to get serviced because it was having a little bit of a transmission issue today. So hopefully that situation isn't too crazy or too big of a bill. I'm praying for the best, but expecting the worst, of course. But this video is not about that issue right now. We'll cover that issue once I know more details about it. But we're just gonna go over the wheels. So let's check them out. All right, so here's the GTR right here. With no further ado, welcome to the new wheels on the GTR. It's actually kind of windy today, so I'm gonna bring the GTR in real quick to talk about it. So hold on real quick, guys. All right, so GTR is back in the garage now. I ended up going with SBD, so that's Speed by Design. Here's the company right here. They make a lot of GTR products, wheels, downpipes, mid pipes, all kinds of GTR products. I was recommended this company by my friend who also has a GTR, so shout out to you, Oscar, for hooking it up. But yeah, these are the FF5 wheels in a titanium blue finish. My 2-year-old actually says that it looks more purple, so I kind of just call them purple. They look more purple than blue when you get up close to them. But yeah, so in the back we have a 5 by 35, I think. Let's see, where is it? 30-20. So we got 30-20, and then in the front we use the OEM rear wheels for the front. So now in the front we're at a 285 35-20 in the front. Here's a better look at the color. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me see if I can shine a flashlight so you guys can see some of the speckle. Here we go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks really good in the sunlight, and it does match this colorway, or the orange, pretty well. The main reason, I decided to go with this color, it was either between this and gloss black, of course, but I decided to go with something different. I noticed a lot of other GTR owners, they do go with this color, but they don't have this exterior color. But the thing about GTRs is all the brake calipers come in my exterior color. So regardless of what color GTR you have, you have orange brake calipers. So I saw enough cars with the orange brake calipers and have these wheels, so I said, fuck it, I'll be the first car with a full exterior and blue wheels. Yeah, but it's definitely grown on me. Initially, I wasn't the biggest fan, but now it's definitely growing on me for sure, and I actually like it more and more. Each day I come out here and look at it, so yeah. But these are the Speed by Design FF5 wheels. We have a 20 by 12 in the rear and then a 20 by 10 in the front. But yeah, this is the new look of the GTR, boys. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. Sorry, this is a really bad reveal, but I kind of had to rush this video because the car could be in the shop for a couple weeks now, so who knows. But yeah, FF5s in blue. Woo-wee. It's looking good. Yeah, I fuck with it. Big time. Big time. Different. Let's get a little further angle, a little further back. Yeah. All right, let's get a thumbnail and call it a wrap. All right, so yeah, that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Again, sorry this was kind of short notice and unplanned, but since the car's going in the shop, I figured might as well shoot the new wheel video as quickly as possible just to have some content on the GTR while it's undergoing surgery. Hopefully not, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Is it a yay? Is it a nay? Did I fuck up? Should I have gone gloss black? I can always go gloss black later on if I really hate it, but I think I'm gonna leave it. It's different. It looks dope to me. It matches the car, so yeah. But with that being said, boys, this is your first time coming through to the channel, go hit that like, comment, subscribe. But until next time, boys, Lee Vlogs out. Corvette's looking clean right now too. Let's not forget about that. Woo.